Today we're looking at an Insignia NS-55D550NA15 LCD LED television sold by Best Buy. So here's the symptoms of this TV. I've already taken it apart, but this is what it looks like. The right side of the screen is bright and beautiful. The left side of the screen is completely dark. So let's see what's causing this backlight failure. Okay, I've removed the LCD. Here's what it looks like with just looking through the diffuser. This is not good. This is not good. It's not good because what we see up here is smoke. That's smoke residue. That's not dust. That's smoke. We'll lift this up. We'll take a look at what's inside. And here we see the problem. This TV caught fire. We can see that the top LED on the flamed out row is completely missing. And interestingly enough, the rest of the row is still lit. Every other LED in this TV, oh, there's one that's out. So we have a single LED that's out right there. That's what will usually happen, and you just get a little black spot on the screen. If the LEDs short out, then the protection circuit is supposed to kick in and the TV is not supposed to turn on. It should shut off immediately. Well, obviously, this one didn't shut off immediately. This one flamed out and kept going. That should not happen. This is a total loss. There's no fixing this. Now, the last time this happened, being a conscientious guy, I was quite concerned. It was a Samsung model. I reported it to the Consumer Product Safety Commission. I also reported it to the manufacturer. The manufacturer wasn't interested at all. I had offered to send the TV back to them so that they could study the failure. Not interested. The Consumer Product Safety Commission, even though I documented it with pictures and videos, they decided that I should hold on to the TV for 30 days. And if they didn't contact me, then I could do what I wanted with it. So this time, I'm not going to report the TV to the Consumer Product Safety Commission or to the manufacturer because I know what the result will be. They're not interested. And I'm not going to tie up my shop for 30 days by keeping this here in this condition. So I'm making this video though, so in case you have a similar problem with this make and model, and they tell you that you're the only one complaining, that it never happened to anyone else but you can refer to this video and say, well, no, wait, it did happen to at least one other guy. And just looking at typical failures, I see that we have another LED out here. That's what's supposed to happen. They just go out, then the TV gets a little darker. They're not supposed to flame out like this. Wow. I sure wouldn't want anything like this in my house. So this is an Insignia Best Buy 55 with a Hisense HD 550DF display panel assembly. Leave a comment, and thanks for watching.